Yardi Voyager Tutorial 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Yardi Voyager for property management. Start by logging into Yardi Voyager and accessing the dashboard. On the left panel, click Properties to view a list of properties under management. To add a new property, click Add Property and fill in the property details including the address, unit count, and property type. Next, go to the Leases section to manage tenant information. Click New Lease to add a new tenant, specifying the unit number, lease term, and monthly rent. Save the lease to finalize the tenant profile. For maintenance requests, go to Maintenance and click on Create Work Order. Enter the property, unit, and maintenance details. Assign the task to a vendor or maintenance staff and set a completion deadline. Navigate to the Accounting tab to record transactions. Click New Transaction, enter the payment details, and categorize the transaction under the appropriate ledger. To generate reports, go to Reports and choose from a variety of templates such as income statements, tenant balances, or maintenance logs. Export the report in PDF or Excel format for record keeping. Yardi Voyager helps streamline property management tasks, ensuring that all financial and maintenance data are accurately tracked and accessible. And that's how you use Yardi Voyager for property management in 2025.